Hello, is this the shop that fixes very old things?
Good morning. Yes, I fix clocks, watches, and mechanical hearts.
My name is Maya. I have a very special object today.
Nice to meet you, Maya. I am Leo, the master of time.
Wow, there are so many clocks in this room.
Yes, I have 300 clocks. They all talk at once.
Tick tock, tick tock. It sounds like a busy heart.
Every clock has a story. Some stories are very, very long.
I found this wooden box in my grandmother's old house.
It looks very old. The wood is dark and very beautiful.
It is a music box, but it is very quiet now.
Maybe the internal spring is broken. Let me see it closer.
Please be careful. This box is more than 80 years old.
Do not worry, Maya. I have very soft and careful hands.
I want to hear the music. My grandmother loved this melody.
Music is a bridge to our memories. Let's try to fix it.
Is the repair very expensive? I'm only a student, Leo.
We will talk about money later. First, we need magic.
I like that answer. Magic is better than money today.
Sit down on this small stool. The light is better here.
Thank you. Your workshop smells like oil and old wood.
It is the smell of hard work. I love my little shop.
Do you live here or do you go home at night?
I live in the small room upstairs. I am always near my clocks.
That is very romantic. You are never lonely with so many friends.
They are the best friends. They never argue and they always listen.
I wish my cat was like a clock. He is very noisy.
Now, let's open the first part of the box.
I'm holding my breath. I'm so excited to see inside.
Patience, Maya. Good things take a lot of time and care. Look inside, Maya. These are the silver gears and wheels.
They're so small. They look like tiny silver stars.
This is the mechanical heart. It is very dusty and tired.
Can you clean the dust? I want it to shine again.
I used this soft brush. It is made of fine squirrel hair.
You are very slow. Your movements are like a dance.
If I move fast, I can break a tiny tooth.
A tooth? Do clocks have teeth like people do?
Yes, the wheels have teeth. They help each other turn.
Look at this part. It has a small brown spot.
That is rust. Rust is the enemy of old machines.
Can you remove it? I want the box to be perfect.
I have a special blue liquid. It removes rust very quickly.
Is that liquid also magic? It has a very strong smell.
It is chemistry, not magic. But for you, it is magic.
I am learning so much today. You are a great teacher.
I am just an old man with a hobby. I love mechanics.
Why is the little ballerina not moving at all?
Her legs are stuck. The old oil is like dry glue now.
Poor ballerina. She wants to dance for us so much.
We will give her some new, fresh oil. She will be happy.
Look at her face. She has tiny blue eyes and red lips.
The artist was very talented. Every detail is very realistic.
My grandmother said the ballerina looks like her.
That is a lovely story. Family history is very important.
I miss my grandmother. She was very kind and very funny.
She is here with us now. She is in this box.
I feel that too. Thank you for saying that, Leo.
Now look, I am turning the small silver wheel.
It is moving, but it is still very quiet.
I found the problem. The main spring is very weak.
Can we buy a new one? Or is it too old?
They don't make these springs anymore. It is a rare size.
Oh no! Does that mean we cannot fix the music?
I have a secret box. It has many old parts.
Can you check the box? Maybe the twin is there.
Let's see. Not this one, not that one.
I'm crossing my fingers. I'm hoping for good luck.
Wait, look at this. This spring is from an old watch.
It is very small. Is it the correct size for us?
I think it is perfect. It is strong and very flexible.
How do you put it inside? It looks very difficult.
I use these tiny silver tweezers. They are my best tools.
Your hands are not shaking at all. You are very steady.
I drink herbal tea, not coffee. It helps my hands stay calm.
I drink too much coffee. My hands are always moving.
Coffee is for young people with lots of energy.
It is in. The spring is in the center.
Now I need to tighten the screw. 1 small turn, 2.
I hear a small click. Is that a good sound?
Yes, it is. The spring is now in the right place.
Can we wind it up now? I want to hear it.
Not yet. We need a key to turn the mechanism.
Oh, I don't have a key. The box was empty.
That is a problem. We cannot start the music without it.
Let me look in my bag. Maybe I missed something.
Check the small pockets. Keys like to hide in corners.
Wait, I feel something cold in the secret compartment.
Pull it out, Maya. Is it small and golden?
Yes, I found it. It is a tiny golden key.
This key is beautiful. It has the shape of a heart.
I didn't see the secret compartment before. It was hidden.
Grandmother was clever. She wanted to keep the key safe.
Now we have everything. The spring, the oil, and the key.
Please, Maya, you should be the one to turn it.
I am afraid. What if I break it?
You won't break it. Just turn it slowly to the right.
1 turn. It is very stiff. Is that okay?
Yes, keep going. 2 turns. 3 turns. Stop now.
I feel the tension. The box is full of energy now.
Put the box on the table. Let's see what happens.
Look, she is moving her arms.
She is waking up after a very long sleep.
Ting! I heard a sound.
That was a do, the first note of the melody.
It is the song, the Moonlight Waltz.
It is a very beautiful melody. It is very sad and sweet.
My grandmother sang this to me.
The sound is very clear now. The new spring is perfect.
The ballerina is spinning so fast. She looks so happy.
She is dancing for you, Maya. She's very grateful.
I want to record this on my phone. 1 moment.
Modern technology meets very old technology.
I will send this video to my mother. She will cry.
Happy tears are the best medicine for the soul.
Thank you, Leo. You fixed my heart today, not just a box.
It was my honor. This box is a work of art.
I will keep it on my nightstand. I will listen every night.
Be careful not to overwind it. Only 3 turns.
I will remember. 3 turns for the perfect dance.
Now that the work is finished, let's have some tea.
I would love some tea. My heart is beating very fast.
I have some jasmine tea. It is very relaxing and sweet.
Why is this clock so big?
That is a grandfather clock. It is 2 meters tall.
It has a very deep sound. Bong, bong.
It tells the hours. Now it is 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
Time flies when you are having fun in this shop.
Here is your cup. Careful, it is very hot.
Thank you. This cup is very thin and very pretty.
It is Chinese porcelain. It is also very old, like me.
You are not old, Leo. You are a classic.
A classic? I like that. I am a classic model.
Do you have any children? Do they like clocks too?
I have a son, but he likes computers. He lives in London.
Computers are okay, but they don't have a heartbeat.
I agree. A mechanical clock is alive. A computer is cold.
The melody is stopping now.
It is finished. The spring is relaxed, and the ballerina is still.
She looks peaceful. She is resting until the next time.
Exactly. Everything needs a moment of silence.
I am very happy I came to your shop today, Leo.
I am happy too. I don't have many visitors these days.
People are always in a hurry. They don't look at old shops.
That is true. They look at their phones, not the windows.
I will tell my friends about you. You are a treasure.
Thank you, Maya. You are a very kind girl.
I must go soon. My mother is waiting for me for dinner.
Let's pack the music box in some soft blue paper.
Yes, we must protect the ballerina. She is very fragile. Here is the money for the repair.
No, Maya. Keep your money. This was a gift for me.
But you worked for 2 hours. I must pay you something.
Seeing your smile was my payment. I am a rich man today.
Thank you, Leo. You are a wonderful person.
Take care of the box and yourself.
Look at my beautiful box. It was broken, but now it plays a magical song. Never throw away old things. They have secrets inside. Repeat after me. This music is very beautiful. Great! Now say, the old man is a very good master.
And remember, time is a very precious gift. Say it with me. I love to learn new things every day. Excellent! Your English is getting better every minute.
I am walking down the street now. The sun is setting.
The sky is orange and purple. It is the golden hour.
I can still hear the melody in my head. La la la.
I am going back to my big clocks. They are waiting.
Goodbye, Leo. I will see you again very soon.
Goodbye, Maya. Have a tasty dinner with your mom.